All right. So when we're up here on the roof, we obviously got to be careful. We should be tied off if it's somewhere we can get tied off. But when we're on the roof, one thing is we always want to kind of keep our feet pointed down, and this foot will usually work as a good anchor to anchor into this foot here to push it. If you're not fat like me and you're limber, you can actually put both feet down. But when you're fat, you put one foot so like this. And what I'll do is I'll just come here, get my light, make sure that they're nice and tight, and I can sit there and I can clip in as I go. If it is a steeper roof, I can have the pitch hopper where I can actually be sitting on the pitch hopper, and then I can just move over and do it again. I don't really like the method of, you can do it this way like so if you got a good pair of pants on that you got on, and you can just keep it whacked and rolling and get these lights all the way across here.